Your menu is your restaurant's best salesperson. It talks to every single customer, and its design quietly decides what they order and how much they spend. In this video, we'll build a professional menu in Canva from a blank page, the layout that sells, the pricing tricks restaurants pay consultants for, a scannable QR code, and the export settings that come back perfect from the printers. And near the end, one change that studies show makes customers spend more. Most menus get it wrong. Here's what we're building. Before we design anything, 3 things menu engineers know. 1, eyes don't read menus like books. They scan, and they land first in the middle, then the top corners. Your most profitable dish belongs in those hot zones, not buried in a list. 2, long menus overwhelm. Around 7 items per section is the sweet spot. More than that, and people default to the cheapest safe option. 3, the way you write prices changes what people spend. And that's the trick I'll show you at the end. Design with those 3 in mind, and the same kitchen makes more money. Now the canvas. Menus are usually A4 or US letter. Use what your local print shop prints. In Canva, create a design, custom size, and here's the part people skip. If a professional printer is producing these, add bleed. Go to File, Settings, and turn on Show Print Bleed. That thin border means your background color runs right to the cut edge instead of leaving white slivers. Set your margins too, nothing important within ½ an inch of the edge. Laminated table menus survive about a year of service. Design once, print often. Every good menu is the same skeleton. At the top, your restaurant name and 1 line of identity. Wood-fired pizza since 2011. That's it, no paragraphs. Then sections in the order people eat. Starters, mains, desserts, drinks. Each dish is a 3-part line. The name in bold, the price, and 1 line of description underneath. And write appetite, not inventory. Slow braised beef, red wine, rosemary sells. Beef with sauce doesn't. Keep 1 font family for everything except your restaurant name, and keep body text at 11 points or more. Candlelight and reading glasses are real. That skeleton, repeated cleanly, is 90% of a professional menu. Before we fill the menu, give it a personality, and steal it from your own food. The fastest way, upload a photo of your best dish or your dining room, then use Canva's color picker to pull your accent color straight out of it. The paprika red, the espresso brown, the basil green. 1 background color, 1 text color, 1 accent, that's the whole palette. Menus with 5 colors read as takeaway flyers. The pairing rules by cuisine are almost a cheat sheet. Dark background with gold or cream type reads upscale steakhouse or cocktail bar. Warm craft tones with simple black type reads artisan, cafe, and brunch. Clean white with 1 bright accent reads modern, family-friendly, fast casual. And for fonts, a serif for your restaurant name says tradition. A clean sans serif says contemporary. Pick whichever matches the room, then never mix more than the 2. If choosing from thousands of fonts paralyzes you, type your restaurant name, browse Canva's font combinations in the Styles tab, and click 1. They're pre-paired by designers. Personality settled in 2 minutes. Now, let's fill it. Let's build the main section for real. Add a text box for the section header. Mains, letter spaced. Small and confident, not shouting. Below it, your first dish. Name on the left in bold. Price on the same line. And skip the row of dots between them. Dotted letters are 1950 diner style, and they drag the eye to the price instead of the food. Description on the next line, smaller, gray, 2 contrast levels doing the work. Now the speed trick, select all 3 elements, group them, and duplicate the group for every dish. Spacing stays identical, which is exactly what makes a menu look professionally set. 6 dishes, 45 seconds each once the first one's right. Nudge your most profitable dish to the top of the section. First and last items get read most. Photos. The honest rule, great photos sell food, average photos kill it. If you have professional shots of your actual dishes, use 2 or 3 per page in clean frames. Canva's elements, search frame, drop your photo in. If all you have is phone snaps under kitchen lighting, use none. Text-only menus read as more upscale anyway. It's why fine dining menus are pure typography. And never use stock photos of food you don't serve. Customers notice and review sites remember. 2 or 3 real photos, or 0. Nothing in between. Now the trick I promised. Go through your prices and delete every currency symbol. 12, not $12, not a pound sign in sight. Cornell University researchers found diners spend significantly more when menus drop the symbols. The sign triggers the pain of paying. The bare number reads, as just information. While you're there, no trailing zeros, 12, not 12.00, and stop right aligning prices into a neat column because a column invites comparison shopping. Tuck each price at the end of its dish line instead. 3 small deletions, and the same menu quietly sells more. That's the cheapest consultant advice you'll ever get. The QR code. For allergen info, your full drinks list, or online ordering, Canva has it built in. On the left rail, click Apps, search QR code, and paste the link you want it to open. It drops onto your page as an editable element, size at about an inch, bottom corner with a 3-word label, scan for allergens, order online. 2 rules. Test it with your own phone camera before you print. A broken QR code on 200 laminated menus is an expensive lesson. And keep it black on a light background. Decorative colored codes fail in dim restaurant lighting. Export time and menus have their own rules. Share, download, PDF print. And if a print shop is producing these, tick, crop marks, and bleed. That's the professional handoff format, and it's the difference between we can work with this and an email asking for a proper file. Printing at home or laminating yourself, untick the crop marks and just use flatten. Ask your printer for 300 GSM stock or lamination for table menus. Standard paper dies in a week of service. 1 file, 2 export recipes. Crop marks for the pros, flatten for the office printer. Here's where Canva beats a design agency. Duplicate the page, lunch menu, trim it to your daytime dishes, change the header, done. Duplicate again, specials board, weekend brunch, the Valentine's menu. Same skeleton, same brand, 10 minutes each. And when a supplier price rises in March, you open Canva, change 1 number, and reprint that page. No designer, no invoice, no 3-day wait. Restaurants pay hundreds a year for menu updates. Yours are now free and instant. Before you send it to print, 6 checks. 1. Bleed on, if a printer's involved. 2. Nothing inside the half-inch edge. 3. 7-ish items per section. 4. No currency symbols, no trailing zeros. 5. QR code scan tested from your actual phone. 6. PDF print with crop marks for the shop, flatten for home. 6 screens, and your menu is ready for service. And if tonight's service is sooner than your design time, the menu template pack from this video is ready to edit. The full skeleton, section layouts, pricing done the right way, QR placement marked, $4.99, or free for template club members. Link below. That's the system. 1 skeleton, hot zones, honest photos, symbol-free prices, a tested QR code, and the right export for your printer. Subscribe for practical Canva tutorials every week, and if this saved you a designer's invoice, the next one will too. See you there.